Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Bolt, and today I'm going to show you just how you shift between drive, park, reverse, all that sort of thing. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's on, which if it's there, you put brake, push the start. So now it's on. So now you can drive the car, and it's just standard in park. If you just need to go to park right away, you just push this park button. Say we want to shift to drive. Again, from the start, you can brake. There's a button on the side here. That's the key thing to keep in mind. So push, shift. So now we're in drive. So I'm rolling forward. And now to get it back, you push this again. Now it's in neutral. And then push again. Now it's in reverse. And I'm rolling backwards right now. And then you can just jump straight to park with this P. But that's the big thing to keep in mind is this little button right here you got to push as you move. But I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.